Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Wednesday, April 13th. Just got back from our trip to Phoenix. So back in the swing of things, getting around the trading room again from last week. So we had a trade today that worked out really well. That's what I want to talk about, and that is an RBOB. And it was actually just a really quick in and out trade. It took us all of about 4.5 minutes to make about $250 a contract. And that was a long trade after the petroleum status report. So you can see here, petroleum status report came out. We shot straight through the roof over the first 2 minutes and pulled right back down. These are 2-minute bar intervals. Pulled right back down, and then we rallied up again. We set up a bull flag. So this whole move, we're not messing with it. We didn't want to trade any of that. That's not what we're interested in. We're waiting on a particular setup, and that setup was this bull flag right here. And we ended up taking it long on the break of the previous bar's high, where we had the up move and the lower high with a hammer, and the break of the previous bar's high and rally. Jumped in on this bar with the blue arrow under it, took the long, and then jumped back out. We're over here for about 200 and some change, less than 250, I believe, per contract. That worked out really well. Now, one of the important things to realize is today we actually had 4 trades, placed 4 trades in the trading room. 2 of them were profitable, 2 of them were losing. But the important thing is we end up being net positive because of that reward risk ratio that you always hear me talking about in the room. You have to have a good reward risk ratio in your trades. So even though we had a 50-50 win rate where we only won half the trades, we still end up very well in the positive because our average risk today was about $90 a contract and our average gain was a little over $200 a contract. So not a bad day. And make sure, again, you're paying attention to what you're risking, what you're making on your trades, because the better that reward risk ratio is, the easier it is to be a long-term profitable trader. All right, that's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. If you're not a member of the trading room, why not? Just go to valuecharts.com/go. That's valuecharts.com/GO. Get signed up for an entire month for $7. So look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, happy trading.